If any of you want to share your interview experience through our YouTube channel, you are always welcome. Please do share your contact information and what are the companies that you got placed in to our email ID techmyhire@gmail.com, and we will contact you and we can make a video.
Hi Pawan Kalyan, how are you doing?
Hey Shekhar, I'm doing great, man. What are you? How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. So, firstly, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah, sure. Hello, audience. My name is Pawan Kalyan. I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree from Gudlawallar Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So, as I'm from non-IT background, it is a challenging thing to get a job in IT sector. So, surprisingly, I got selected in 3 different companies like Hexaware Technologies, TCS, and Emphasis.
So, now you're here to share your Hexaware experience, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So, firstly, a big congratulations for you on getting placed in 3 different companies.
Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you.
Yeah. Firstly, can you share your TR room experience that was happened on Hexaware interview?
Yeah, sure. After clearing my 2 rounds of Hexaware, I got selected for TR. And on the day of TR round, I was waiting for the interviewer in a quite pleasant room. So suddenly a surprising voice come behind me, like, "Hey Pawan, how are you?" And I greet them too, like, "Hello sir, good morning. Hope you and your family are doing great." He surprisingly happy for me to greet. So I like he also wish me the same, like, "Hello, thanks Pawan. Hope you and your family are doing great." That was my he asked me to hold on a while. So he checked my resume. He directly entered into a technical skills of mine. He did not ask me my like introduction and achievements, goals, not at all anything. He directly entered into a technical skills like either you choose C or Python for coding. I give answer like C is for comfortable with me.
Because you are a non-IT guy, so you said that you are comfortable with C.
C, yes.
Yeah.
Later he asked me how much knowledge do you have on C. As I said, I am from non-IT background. We only have C subject on only first year, so I have up to 60 to 70% of knowledge on C. He asked me later. He asked me a question on C, like, can you print a number which is prime or not?
Okay.
He asked me. So I start my screen share and I open my online compiler and I try to write my code online. He is satisfied with my code. So he directly entered into the next challenge, like, do you know any concepts of oops? Surprisingly, I don't know any concepts of oops. So it was a challenging thing me to explain how I can know, I try to explaining him. I'm from non-IT background. I don't know even these concepts of oops like this one. He tells that it is not at all big issue. So he moved into the next round, like core challenge. He asked me a core challenge round, like you're saying that you're from non-IT background, non-IT background. I was, you're I want to ask a question on course side.
Okay.
Course side. So he start asking me that how wireless communication works. How wireless communication works. As he's a IT background sector. Like he don't know even my terminologies I used it in this concepts of ECE. So I try to it is my challenging thing to explain in a single English, simple English, simple English to explain him. So I try to explain in a simple English. After a while, he interrupted with me. He interrupted me and asked me that how wireless mouse are working and
Yeah.
that like that. So I explained it and I related that with my previous answer. It was like different experience I have ever seen. It was up to 10 minutes. I explained it clearly for that guy.
Hmm.
He was satisfied with my answer. So we ended with my any questions. He
Okay.
ended with questions.
Okay.
And finally, he asked me that any questions for me.
Okay.
Uh,
So it was a great experience that you are explaining a electrical question to a non-electrical guy in a very simple terms, and you are correlating your answer with the wireless mouse. I think it is a difficult task for you also, and
yeah,
I think that he was convinced with your answer, and he moved you to the next round.
yeah,
Yes. So the next round was HR round, right? So what
yes.
was your HR room experience?
Actually, I got selected for TR after, so I was in HR round. I she's a lady. I'm
Okay.
waiting for the lady. So he came up and asked me for. He also checked my resume
Okay.
and asked me for self introduction. I completed my self introduction like I'm from Pawan Kalyan, from so and so college. I have my this percentage, and she suddenly asked me on, did you know about any details about Hexaware?
Mhm.
And before coming to the interview, I Google it on Google, like how many employees in Hexaware, what technologies does Hexaware working,
Okay.
technologies, clients, how client satisfaction.
Okay.
I said there's the full details of the HR, so he convinced with me, and she going on asking me like, do you know about this bond and our terms and conditions for this company? So I surely accept that. I said that I'm comfortable with your terms and conditions, and I
Okay.
will agree with your bond like that. Surprisingly, I got a question from that lady like, "This is a genuine interview or practicing interview for you?" And I answered that, "Yeah, ma'am, this is my genuine interview, and I need badly this job." She's satisfied with my words, and she asked me to relocate in anywhere. So I asked her, "Is that Bangalore available for me?" And she tell me that it might be Chennai for you. Will you relocate for that? So
Mhm.
yeah, ma'am, sure. I will relocate for anywhere in Pan India. So that was my HR experience.
Okay. So before getting into this TR and HR, you will be having this written test pattern, right? So what is the
Yeah.
written test pattern for this exam?
Okay. First of all, Hexaware needs a 60% in engineering and 75% in intermediate and 10th class. So with that eligibility, they have sent a mail to us like, you have a qualified for written test in Hexaware with a time of 2 hours like that. So in the written test, they asked for quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability, and domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means like core related knowledge. Like I'm from EC background, they ask me on EC questions, and some 10 to 15 questions on pseudocodes. We have to guess the output. So I qualified for the written test. Surprisingly, that in this time between 2 to 3 hours, I got a test link of communication round, another second round of Hexaware.
Okay.
Congratulations, Pawan, you got selected for written test. You have a communication round on 3 o'clock of this noon, so you have
Okay.
to attend the round. So
Okay.
I attend the communication round. It has a jam, just a minute. They have give a word. You have to talk for a 1 minute like this
Okay.
and that. I got selected for the communication round.
Okay. So finally, you had done with the written test. Later, you got TR and then HR, right? When do you get offer letter? In which time duration did you get the offer letter?
Okay. Actually, the company does directly do not
Send
like
an offer letter or the
offer
selected
letter.
mail to you.
Hmm.
They send to your college.
College management.
Okay.
So they will inform us like 1 to 2 months later
Okay.
after the
Okay.
interview.
Okay. So it took 1 or 2 months to
Yeah.
get a result from your TPO.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So yeah, finally, before we end the interview or experience, so what were the suggestions that you suggest for upcoming aspirants? Let's say if I were a junior, if I were planning to step into Hexaware, what were the suggestions would you suggest?
Okay. First of all, it's at this time getting job is very easy, as like the jobs are working on online mode, as written test in online mode, everything is online mode. You have highly recommended that getting jobs are very easy to juniors like that. Just you need to know about some languages like C, Python, Java, some basic knowledge on that, and some of the interviewers might be asked your core related questions, as my interviewer asked me. And that also you have to need good communication skills, communication skills, and perfection in whatever you say. That's it. So.
Okay. So the suggestions from Pawan Kalyan is that you need to brush up your core skills as well as the skills on programming languages like C, Java, or Python, and you need to be confident with your communication skills, and also you need to be, as there are plenty of options and opportunities availing in this pandemic, you please be thorough with your basics so that you can get into any of the IT company. Yeah, anything else, Pawan, before we end this interview?
Actually, thank you, you and team Take My Hair for giving this opportunity to share my interview experience. Also, I was watch your videos. It help me to get a job for like the experience they face. We learned from your channel. So thank you for giving this
Yeah,
opportunity.
yeah, thank you. Bye.
Bye.